This is just a quick video on how to straighten a bent pinch weld. I didn't even think about filming it until I'd already started working on mine. I was trying to figure out the best way to fix mine with the tools I had and decided to use my tabletop vise. I've been clamping the pinch weld in the widest jaws here to press all the pieces of metal back together and to flatten it out again before bending it straight. My process has been to set the vise at the very top of the pinch weld and clamp it down as tight as possible, then push on it to get the pinch weld 90 degrees again. Every time I push on it, I have to immediately tighten it down some more, then push again. Keep repeating this process until it's straight. That looks pretty good now, especially because it used to be at this angle before I started. It was also a little separated and pushed apart along a few spots. This whole process happened because my new jack stands don't have a slotted channel in them like my old ones did. I made the mistake of setting them under the pinch weld like this, and then when I was loosening a large bolt, the car shifted sideways a little and bent it outward. I'm currently testing a solution for preventing the stands from damaging the pinch welds again, and I'll do a follow-up video for that. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.